Hey fellow entrepreneurs, Mahesh here. If you're diving into the world of private label dropshipping, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down Rocktomic, the ultimate destination for launching your private label and custom supplement brands. And I request you to please stick to this video. Why? Because I'm also going to break down and give a sneak peek into the dashboard of Rocktomic. Alright, but before we dive in, if you are really interested in my favorite method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, I request you to please click the link in the description for my free strategy. And I also request you to please stick to this video till the end. Why? Because I am about to give you a mind-boggling bonus where people are making around $100 to $200 daily just by promoting my product in an automation format. Alright, and guys, I've also reviewed numerous ways to make money online, including various affiliate networks, courses, websites, dropshipping stores, and many more. But today, I'm here to give you the lowdown on what makes Rocktomic stands out and whether it's the right fit for your business. Stick around for pros, cons, and exclusive features that sets Rocktomic apart. Just ask yourself, guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just by creating a supplement brand, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? You know, I've created a lot many systems and I have my own product in the marketplace right now. And you can imagine like what kind of experience I'm holding, even though if my communication is not that proper, but my skills and strategies are working in today's era. So I request you to please visit the first and second link in the description to get my own strategies and start a supplement brand right away. So without any delay, let's get started. Rocktomic is your go-to supplier for private label dropshipping, boasting over 12 plus years of experience in the industry. With an whooping 150 plus high quality supplement products, it's a one-stop shop for entrepreneurs like you looking to create a unique brand identity and deliver exceptional products worldwide. Now let's talk pros. Rocktomic's platform is user-friendly with a 9.3 expert score. It offers easy to use private label dropship services, over 150 product options, on-demand labeling, and a unique don't pay until you have sold feature. Plus, they have got lifetime dropshipping access, free labeling design, and a commitment to quality products made in FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons. Customization options are somewhat limited and you might have less control over shipping and fulfillment. But hey, every platform has its quirks, right? So Rocktomic's key features are worth noting. They provide custom supplement branding, easy dropship facilities, and committed quality products. With exclusive training access, you can gain insights into supplement brand launch strategies, ensuring FDA and regulatory compliance. Now, let's dive into the product categories. Rocktomic covers everything from weight loss and detox supplements to women's beauty products, men's health products, sports nutrition, healthcare solutions, premium gummies, and even trending supplements. Their extensive range caters to deserve customers' needs and preferences. Curious to see how Rocktomic works? I request you to please visit the second or third link from the description for a lifetime membership. You're not going to get this membership anywhere all across the internet. Why? Because people are charging over $3,000 to $4,000 or maybe $5,000 for this kind of membership. So I'm giving this for absolutely very low price for lifetime. You can please go and check the second or third link from the description and you get redirected to my VIP members list. Alright, you know, over 8,000 entrepreneurs have already joined the Rocktomic community, revolutionizing their businesses with little risk. So as I said, there would be a bonus for you. So I recently written a book called The Stasho Method, which is already in the market and I'm selling it for just $37. But for you, if you're watching this video, you can find the third link in the description and you can get this book for just $1. Why? Because you know, I have created a list of my strategies, how I'm promoting my dropshipping supplement brand. And also there is an gateway for you to make money on daily basis. So this is really mind boggling. And if you're from India, then you can grab this for just 11 rupees. and if you're anywhere all across the world, then you can get it for just $1. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. Why? Because people are purchasing my product for $37. Then if you are really interested to get this for just $1 or 11 rupees, then you can grab it as soon as possible. This is only for limited time. And at last, I would like to conclude saying, Rocktomic's private label dropshipping platform provides a powerful solution for entrepreneurs. It's your ticket to create a successful private label supplement brand without the headaches of inventory management. So don't miss out this opportunity. And I ask you to unlock the potential for your business with Rocktomic. So you can please visit the second or third link from the description and get the lifetime membership. This is only a limited time offer, and you're not going to find this anywhere all across the internet, even from Rocktomic. Why? Because I'm like traveling with Rocktomic. They've given this opportunity to bring new entrepreneurs like me. Okay, so you can claim this lifetime access from second link in the description. Alright guys, if you have any queries, then you can please comment down below. And at last, I would like to wrap up our Rocktomic review. Just if you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you are really eager to explore more opportunities in the world of e-commerce, subscribe for the latest insights. Drop any questions or comments down below, and let's keep the entrepreneurial spirit alive. Until next time, stay innovative and stay hustling. Have a great day. Bye bye.